Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Microsoft Edge administrator mode detecting error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all go to your Microsoft Edge icon, right click and go to your open file location. After doing this test, select a Microsoft Edge icon, right click and go to your properties. After opening a new dialog box and go to your compatibility. After doing this test, select run this program as administrator, click on apply and click on OK button. After doing this test, close it. Go to your search box and type a UAC. Click on a change user control settings. Now select this. Scroll down, click on a OK button and press yes button. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.